The Savvy level fitted on this van, so once she gets down all the way down on the bump stops,
Can be used with ramps, blocks or airbags.
we can level it up, and really, really easy with this Savvy level fitted. Really quick and easy, and the steps nice and low to the floor to get in and out.
I'm going to level with you, Shannon.
Righto.
The best way to wake up with a headache in a caravan is to do it on an unlevel bed. So I'm going to show you a little industry secret, mate.
Yeah, beauty. Let's see what you got.
It's called a Savvy level. You install it either inside or outside your caravan or motorhome and do the whole lot from right here.
Wow, really?
The Savvy level is the only leveler with the 10 by zoom feature, so you can get your accuracy spot on.
Yeah, so it's way more than just a level then, hey?
That's right. It levels the whole 3D space of your van or motorhome just the way you like it. See, here, the device is showing us to adjust the level on the left side, so that's where we've got to put the ramps or adjust the airbags. As we move the caravan forward in this case, or even a motorhome, you'll see that graphic change, and it'll tell us when it's spot on.
Yep.
That's where we stop.
Okay. So, Macca, now I'm going to have to level with you, mate. I'm going to be sleeping in this nice, beautiful level van, and you're going to have to find somewhere else. Sorry, buddy.
Tough news. Looks like I'm going to have to find myself another Savvy level. See you, bud. And soon to hit the shelves, Savvy Level 4. Look for it.